Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Atlas Reward credit card purchase protection benefits for online purchases. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Atlas account. Now, you can log into your Atlas account on the online banking platform, that's the Atlas website, or you can log in on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account using your username and password, you're going to select the credit card account that you want to use the purchase protection benefits for. So just go ahead and select the credit card account from the account dashboard. Once that's selected, you're going to click on purchase protection, and then you're going to review the benefits details. Now, after you're done reviewing, just go ahead and contact the purchase protection provider to file a claim or to request assistance for online purchases. And you're going to be required to provide documentations to support the claim, such as receipts or proof of purchase. And once that's provided, you're going to receive reimbursements or assistance for eligible online purchases. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas Reward credit card protection purchase protection benefits for online purchases. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'll catch you guys.